I used some scrap pine wood for this project. Firstly, I ripped a board down to 10 inches. Then, I cut the board to a length of 14.5 inches. Next, I ripped another piece to 1.5 inches. I drew the curves for the top using a kitchen spoon holder. I then cut out the top curved portion with a jigsaw. Using a 3/8 drill bit, I drilled a hole in the center. Using a round over bit on my router, I was able to smooth out the board. First countersinking, then screwing. I attached the two boards together. I put a whitewash look on the project, using Minwax whitewash pickling. I then laser engraved a kitchen conversions chart onto the board, using a laser engraver. I used a spray lacquer finish to seal and protect the project. Finally, I made a leg for the back of the board, with a hinge to hold the project on an angle. Using rope, I added the finishing touches.